How to propose to marry a woman. Proposing to the love of your life can be both exciting and nerve-wracking. It's a moment that you'll remember for the rest of your life, and it's important to make it as special as possible. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to propose to a woman and make it a moment that she'll never forget. Step 1. Choose the right location. Choosing the right location is crucial when it comes to proposing to your partner. You want to choose a place that is meaningful to both of you or a place that holds special memories. It could be the spot where you first met or a location that you both have always wanted to visit. Whatever the location may be, make sure it is private and romantic. Step 2. Get the ring. The engagement ring is a symbol of commitment and love, and it's important to choose a ring that suits your partner's style and personality. Do some research on different types of rings and pay attention to what your partner likes. If you're unsure, you can always ask her friends or family members for advice. Once you have the perfect ring, make sure it's safely hidden before the proposal. Step 3. Plan the proposal. Think about how you want to propose to your partner. Would you like to write a heartfelt letter or get down on one knee? Would you like to have a photographer capture the moment or keep it between the two of you? Plan out what you want to say and practice beforehand if needed. Remember that this is a moment that you'll both cherish forever, so make sure it's perfect. Step 4. Make it special. Add personal touches to the proposal to make it even more special. You could decorate the location with candles or flowers, play your partner's favorite song, or have a special meal prepared. Consider including things that are meaningful to your relationship, such as a book, a photo, or a memento. It's the little things that will make the proposal even more memorable. Step 5. Get down on one knee. When you're ready to propose, get down on one knee and present the ring to your partner. Say what you want to say from the heart, and ask her the big question. Remember to take your time and enjoy the moment. In conclusion, proposing to the love of your life can be a nerve-wracking experience, but it's also an opportunity to show your love and commitment. Choosing the right location, getting the perfect ring, planning the proposal, making it special, and getting down on one knee are just a few steps to help you make the perfect proposal. Remember that this is a moment that you'll both cherish for the rest of your lives, so take the time to make it special and memorable.